Finley. Finn. Finn. We're home now. Finley. Home now. Can I undo your seatbelt?
I don't want to undo it. Can't.
You were snoring.
No.
You was. Should we go in now?
No. One more lumpy.
Lumpy's indoors. We've got to go find her, yeah? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the stone.
Okay.